Hey, what's up everyone, Ollie here. So currently got the new iPhone 11 in black. Let's get straight to the unboxing, shall we? So this is the black model, of course, if we open it up. So interestingly, they've actually got the iPhone face the other way. Usually it's screen up, but currently you can see that the iPhone is turned the other way. You can see that new camera bump as well. This is probably one of the most satisfying parts of unboxing an iPhone. So interestingly, the back actually doesn't have any sort of covering, any plastic covering. All the other iPhones before did. So this is a glossy black. You can actually see it's very black. The edges are more of like a space grey sort of looking colour. But yeah, it actually looks great. The Apple logo is now in the middle. There's no iPhone text. I don't know if you can see, but there is regulatory text for European models or for UK models, I'm not sure. But I know in the UK we have the regulatory marks, which is annoying. It'll be nice to have a very clean design. But I think the most interesting thing is, of course, that camera bump, that new camera bump. In the box, we get the standard earphones. We also get a Lightning to USB, and then we get the standard power brick as well in the UK. Just a normal, not very powerful power brick, unfortunately. So first impressions with the iPhone 11 is, you know, there isn't really that much different. It is very much the same as the iPhone XR from last year. Obviously the main difference is mainly the Apple logo and the camera bump. Everything else is exactly the same. There really isn't too much difference. I do very much like the black model. I think the black looks fantastic. The SIM card tray is down here. I don't know if the previous model actually had the SIM card tray up here, but yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I really like the edges. I really like the space grey edges. I think they look fantastic. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the iPhone 11 boxing. I'll leave some B-roll for you so you can get some more shots of the iPhone 11, and the review will be coming soon.